Mint Mobile users sometimes face issues receiving texts due to SMSC misconfigurations, iMessage problems, or aggressive filters. These issues aren't widespread, affecting roughly 5 to 10% of users. First, let's address the core components. The SMSC, Short Message Service Center, routes your texts. If it's misconfigured, you won't receive messages. For Android, manually update the SMSC number in Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced Access Point Names, APN. Edit the MMSC field. iPhone users can reset via a hidden dialer code, 767. Try toggling airplane mode or restarting your device to refresh the connection. iMessage, Apple's messaging service, can also cause issues if not properly activated. Ensure you're signed into iCloud and iMessage is enabled in Settings. If problems persist, temporarily switch to SMS-only mode by turning off iMessage. Overly aggressive spam filters can block legitimate texts, causing important messages to be missed. On iOS, disable filters in Settings, Messages, filter unknown senders to allow unknown senders texts through. On Android, check Settings, Apps, Messages, Notifications, or your carrier app settings to manage filters. Mint Mobile's app has a smart filter that, while effective against spam, may also block wanted messages. Whitelist numbers if needed to ensure important texts get through. Looking ahead, Mint Mobile is piloting RCS to replace SMS MMS, reducing dependency on SMSC, and minimizing filter problems. Future updates and network improvements by T-Mobile should further stabilize texting. In the meantime, proactive maintenance like checking APN settings and resetting network configurations can prevent many issues from occurring. If problems persist despite these steps, contact Mint Mobile support for assistance.